sure where she sat on that one. Felt a little bit better. I had some heat in her that time. Let's see what the contraption says here, this timer thing. Go ahead and stop the data log. Boy, she felt strong out of the hole. Gosh, she's showing a 1020 at 133. 0 to 60 in 2.4, 0 to 100 in 5.6. That's
New
gonna be
text message from Chris Charger.
There's my boy Chris right there, checking in on us. He's thinking it's got a 2 in it. The car thinks it ran a 2, but I don't know. That's going to be real close. I'm thinking it's a deep 3, but it's going to be real tough to tell. If the car's saying 20, it might be there. Let's see what it says. Thanks, bro. Holy shit! 1028. Woo! Little Miss Revlon going out kicking all kinds of ass. 1028 at just under 130 in the right lane at Houston Raceway Park. Girl, you dirty. I love it. Ow!